Yep. Quick video on how to replace a cabin air filter in a 2015 Chevy Equinox. You can do it. I think you can go all the way down to like 09, 08, not sure. And maybe a little bit newer. Pretty easy. It's part number I'm using. Filter, glove box, pretty simple. Pop it open. It's got a tab up here. You pull it down, and then it just unclips down. It's right there. It's got two tabs. Okay. Press them down. It comes out. I mean, you push them up. Yeah, you push them up. Those little tabs. Push them up, 1, 2, push them up, and it's right there. Pull the old one out. Oh man, this one, I don't know. What was the last time I changed it to? So you can see, might be the factory one. New one, old one. Out with the old, and with the new. And it's nasty. Yep, and then you put it right back in how the other one was. Long ways. What's going on here? Hold up. I'm having some technical difficulties. Or is it the other way? Let me see. Nope, can't be that way. Yeah, it is long ways. My bad. It's supposed to be quick, but damn thing's really bugging me. There it is. Yeah, the tabs get in the way, so you gotta kind of lift it up. Push it in little by little. These things mess you up. Yep. Oh yeah. And voila, that's it. In and out. So, like I said, I'm doing it with one hand. So if you were doing it with two, it'd be easy. Just lift it up and it goes right in. And that's it. Put it down and you're done with that part. Then this one's got the little hooks. Just gotta put it on. Clicks her. You're done. That's it. Quick, simple video. Alright, have a good one.